Alright, good morning. It's a new day. We're going to do the front end of the Jeep XJ lift kit. I got it jacked up, got the tires off, sprayed some penetrant oil on it. Let me show you what we have on it. Alright, these are the sway bar links that I put in. This and this is what we're looking at doing. And these. This one was replaced, but the other side was not. And I do have the new lowers as well. Alright, I should have enough clearance with what we have here. A couple blocks and a piece of wood. And we got good clearance under here so we can push the axle down further if we need to. But let's get some things disconnected. I'll probably take off the calipers, sway bar links. Oh yeah, and I got the blocks that go underneath here too. Alright, let's check it out, see what we got. That's nice. See how easy that comes off. Let's see if the other side's that easy. Sure is. Yeah, see? 17. Oh, that feels tight. Boy, when in that time, you gotta wonder if there's any saving it. I could put the heat to it though. Could try the big impact, I guess. Everything's just rounded now, so I can't really move along anymore with what you have as far as your conventional socket removal. So I guess it's getting out the cutoff wheel. It's gonna take a while. Process as things kind of season up here. It's not staying going. I don't know what the hell's wrong with it. Fucking 30-minute job here, and it could have taken 5 minutes to just cut it off with a proper running tool. Let's see what I'm doing here. Cut off the top of the head. Run the punch right through it now. My hammer. Got it. So I'm gonna go and do the other side now. Alright, you ain't gonna believe this, but I was able to take off this sway bar with these stock bolts up in here without a problem. So a little bit of residual anti-seize on there from the previous owner, so bless his heart. So I got to reuse these ones because we need to install these brackets in this some type of manner, and this is going to drop this sway bar here that many inches. So the stock bolts will get used up here back into the frame rail, and then they supply the new bolts that'll pretty much mount the sway bar to the bracket. Still having an issue with the lower control arm. I don't know what I'm going to do if I can't get those bolts out. Overall recap for the spring. The other side is actually broken. I'll show you that in a second, but I've got a spring compressor coming here, so I got to squeeze it down, and I can get this one out and put the new one in, because we're pretty much as low as we're going to go. I don't know if you can see here where it's broken. Alright, so same thing here, and then this is the same thing where I gotta get that replaced, so I'll have to run a new hard line down to here, but I'll figure that out later. First things first. Of course, we're gonna clean all the threads up. We're gonna add some anti-seize. Love this stuff. And I'm just making my own rules on which way to install this. Wasn't too clear in the instructions which way forward was, but I like the slant forward, and the shorter side will be to the top. And if they don't like it, they can kiss my ass. Same thing. It's on my fingers, it must be good. Keeps it preserved. The only downside about putting them in here is I can't get my socket on it now. Get the short wall socket on it. Know what I mean? Yeah. I couldn't find a 15mm shallow socket. You believe that shit? And that's just how it goes. Anyway, so we're just tightening it up. Go in the middle of this slot here. Just like that. Call that good enough. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Whole bunch of movement too. I'll have to figure that out. Alright. Any which way I want. Sweet. Anyway, I got these already pretty tight. 11/16 and a 5/8 underneath. Okay, I might just move these all the way forward. Let's do that. Keep them out of the way of the spring. Skin knuckles. I'm gonna put my gloves on so it doesn't happen again. And yeah, this will have plenty, so this can move it forward just a hair if needed, but yeah. That'll be perfect. Perfect. Alright, look at this. Spring compressors are here. Very nice, huh? Got them all positioned, 180 degrees from each other. I'm going to start to tighten them and get this coil out of here. Almost there. Alright, it'll spring out, but you can see where it was busted. So we got to figure out here how we're going to dig this out. So I'm just going to try a hammer and punch real quick. Alright, today's been a busy day. Worked all day on the Jeep XJ. Got the front coils replaced, the springs, front shocks, adapters for the spacers for the sway bar installed. Got the lower control arms installed. And now I'm working on the extended brake lines for the front brakes. That's where I'm at. Lots done. Long day. I've been working since 9 o'clock this morning, and it's going on a little after 11 o'clock now. Got the caliper off. Got that one on there. Got the bleeder unfroze. Do the same thing to the other side. The line on the driver's side broke, the hard line. I'm going to have to make a new line for that, and that's the one that goes into the proportional block. So that's got a hell of a tight 90 degree that comes off of it. So that'll be a challenge. That's it. That's it. It's a good day.